Hey,
Hello.
how's it going there, KG from Internet Money?
It's going good, Maddie. Thank you, man, for having me on. Thank you for putting all this on.
My pleasure. And yeah, I'll let you take it away and do your 3-minute talk.
Sure. Appreciate the opportunity. Hello, everybody. Like Maddie said, my name is KG. I am the founder of the Internet Money Project and ecosystem. And since I only have a few minutes, if you actually go back earlier in this conference, Fashion Coder did a deep dive on the Internet Money ecosystem, and she hit all the amazing points. But in short, we are building a native PulseChain wallet, and that native PulseChain wallet will have two supporting tokens in its ecosystem. Token number one is the Internet Money token, deflationary peer-to-peer digital cash, no admin keys, no taxes, no reflections. It's immutable and it's deflationary. It's beautiful. Second, we have the Internet Money Dividend token. And here's where things get amazing. The Internet Money wallet will charge fees when a user swaps from one asset to another, just like metamask, just like Trust Wallet, just like all these other crypto wallets. The difference with the Internet Money wallet is instead of the fee being paid in the asset you're swapping out of, the fee is paid in the form of the blockchain's native coin. So for example, if you're swapping from Hex to Pulse on PulseChain, the fee is paid in Pulse. That fee is then distributed to the holders of the Dividend token. And we are a multi-chain wallet, so we will support Ethereum, BSC, and any other chain you want to import. And as we launch IMD on those chains, you'll be able to earn the rewards from the swaps. We are the first tokenized crypto wallet in the crypto space. And you don't have to stake, you don't have to delegate, you don't have to lock up your IMD tokens in any way, shape, or form. Simply by holding, you are able to claim your rewards as frequently as every block, or you can hold them for 10 years. It doesn't matter. There's no time constraints. Now, these are both amazing tools for not only onboarding users into crypto through PulseChain, which is our mission statement, through the free giveaways of Pulse and Internet Money when people download our wallet app, which will be iOS app, Android app, and a Chrome extension. That is a great way to onboard new users into crypto, and then have them swap that Internet Money into Hex. Have them swap it into Hedron or Maxi or whatever project you believe in. Onboard them into your project easy. Then we have the additional value of bringing other crypto users from other ecosystems into the Internet Money wallet, introducing them to PulseChain by giving them the value of being able to earn their blockchain's native coin. That is the high level overview. So
Awesome. Well, thanks again for jumping on here last minute. And where do people go to find out more?
Sure. Again, thank you for having us. Right now, the best way to reach us is Twitter at InternetMoneyIO. Our website is going through a major revamp, and that should be done in the next month or two. So it'll be a lot more informative soon.
Awesome. Thanks again for being here.
Hey, appreciate it, Maddie. Keep up the good work.
Thanks.